Wow, this chunk is huge.
How are we going to find the tiger?
That's a tiger?
Yeah, there it is. That sure is a big tiger. He's a
Not like a tiger.
But I'll bet he has a nice big roar. I was right.
Will you help us surprise our friend Rocket?
Let's help the
Surprise,
tiger
Rocket.
Rocket.
Shh. We
Creep up
got it
behind
around.
Rocket so we can roar and surprise the Hiccups away.
Let's creep like tigers. Creep with us. Pretend you're
Reach that
in
again.
like this.
Creep, reach a dial. Creep, reach a dial.
Tardando.
Creep, reach a dial. Creep, reach a dial.
Tardando. Slower.
Creep, reach a dial. Creep, reach a dial. Bow.
Rocket loved that surprise. That was some sneaky creeping. That was a loud roar.
That was a surprise. The Rocket Hiccups. This is going to
Does Rocket still have the Hiccups?
You're right. These two hiccups.
Now what should we do?
The simple thing is stop the hiccups. The tiger. Stop the hiccups.
We
Got this a bee. We got to go to this. We're several hours.
I've got it. A geyser.
A geyser? A geyser?
What's a geyser? It's a hole in the earth that shoots up water high into the sky.
A geyser will be the biggest surprise ever. Perfect.
To Rocket. This is I'm sorry.
The other planes and jets are lining up at the starting line.
The race is going to start soon.
Don't worry, Rocket. We do not stop hiccups. The geyser's hose.
But June, where's the water?
This is going great. Come on, let's do a geyser the Rocket. We do it splashing into the water. Let's practice. Ready? This is easy. Now let's just surprise Riot. This is going to stop going right now.
Oh, Rocket. Come sit up.
Daylight, people.
Yep, right there, Rocket. That's good.
Alright, splash it into the water. We got the Rocket right on the water. Wait, just give us a wait. Yes, we're going.
Does he still have the hiccups?
You're right. They're still there.
What do we do now, Leo?
I just go ask the guy to see if he's to buy it.
We've got to stop these hiccups soon. The race is going to start.
Don't worry, Rocket. Still hiccups in there.
Hey there, little mouse.
Whoa!
Where's the Rocket going? Come back, Rocket.
It was just a mouse.
Rocket, gotta tell you a surprise for you. Ah, let's try it again. Rocket have the hiccups. No, not the hiccups. I'm gonna rocket the beauty rocket.
Rocket.
Yay! We've got it. It's that race. Thank you, little mouse.
The race is starting. We gotta catch up.
Go, Rocket.
Right. We gotta have the rocket go faster. Back hands to beat the music.
Rocket is zooming across the globe. He's behind.
He's high. He has catching up fast.
Rocket has to.
Rocket Apple Tower in Paris. Tennessee. Gonna go down from the tower.
Yeah, there it is.
Go Rocket. Now I think it appears in Egypt.
Egypt.
Go, Rocket! Hooray!
Whoa, Rocket is passing airplanes left and right.
Keep going!
Keep going.
It's the
Because
Look, there's a
look at this airplane.
Woohoo! Rocket is green. We're catching up.
Oh, I hear something.
Canyon is so big.
Go Rocket! I can't think of fire out. You're sharing the friends.
Hooray!
Rocket is passing everyone except
The chat is stiff.
Rocket.
Rocket gonna pass him. Rocket is the lead.
In the lead.
No, the chat. No, Rocket is the lead. This ride is getting closer. Today on the flyer now. Pat, 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 pat. Rocket wins the race.
Magnificent.
Wow.
I can't get off the rocket. Rocket is awesome flying.
You're welcome, Rocket.
This is a guy with you now. Mission accomplished! Husband, give you what? CD.
Let's clap for our team. Let's clap for Anne, Quincy, June.
Let's go!
Ryan.
Grab your heart. It's it. We're gonna see you around.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for.
Yay! What's going on?
Music we heard today.
Yay! What happened? What's up, bounce? I said bounce.
You helped a lot today.
Oh, get yourself. Yeah, you're tired of this. See you.